Hi everybody, Miss Ximena here, and I'm staying home to be safe like all of you. Lots of families have been making rainbows to hang in the front windows of their houses. They're quite pretty and make you smile. So my daughter and I decided to make a rainbow to hang in our front window. To make a rainbow, you will want some kind of paper. It can be made from construction paper, white paper, any kind of paper you can cut and color, even a brown bag. We used heavy-duty construction paper. We drew the shape of a rainbow with clouds at the bottom on the construction paper and cut it out. Then I used a ruler to make the 6 lines of color on our rainbow, each about 2 inches apart. You can make your rainbow with as many lines of color as you want, and you can space however you like. Make it your rainbow, but a ruler can be helpful. We colored each line in with Crayons crayons. We used red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. A little Roy G. Biv, but not quite, since we're missing indigo and violet. And if you don't know who Roy G. Biv is, Google it with Mom and Dad's help. But you can use whatever you have at home. Colored pencils, crayons, colored markers, chalk, even paint if you have it. Then we used white construction paper for our clouds at the bottom of our rainbow, since we didn't have any white crayons. It came out great, and we had a lot of fun making it. Here it is. That's our rainbow. You can make a rainbow with just about anything. You can print pictures of rainbows and hang them in your window, whatever your imagination can think of and what you may have at home. And if you do, send us a picture of your rainbow. See you soon!